This is Jay Sekulow. New York State passes what is clearly the most barbaric abortion law in U.S. history. This is the most barbaric abortion law that I think any state has ever passed, ever. I mean, Roe versus Wade involved first trimester abortions. This allows for infanticide, in my view. I mean, this is horrific. New York State signing a law that this is how it's postured in the media, just so you get a kind of a sense of what actually is going on here. It says New York State has enacted strong new legal protections for abortion rights. The new law signed by Governor Cuomo on Tuesday safeguards rights laid out in Roe versus Wade and other court rulings, including a provision permitting late-term abortions when a woman's health is endangered. The health exception is those that follow the pro-life movement know is it's basically if you don't want the child, that's a health exception. Now here's the issue: if the child's born alive, it's called the Born Alive Protection Act. There were certain protections in place for a child that is actually born during the abortion process. That happens. Here, infanticide could literally take place outside of the womb, and under New York State law, there's nothing that can be done, CeCe Howell, to stop it.
The definition of a person, even for homicide, takes out any unborn child. It is a human being who has been born and is alive. That's the definition of a person. So you can kill an unborn baby at any point, and even if they're born alive, they don't have legal protection.
It used to be that if a pregnant mother was killed, that they could be charged with a double homicide. That's been removed. So really, when you look at what they're focusing on, Abby, is the removal of the personhood of the unborn child. And even if the child's born alive after the abortion, that personhood's not recognized yet either.
Several media outlets have pointed to, well, this isn't unrestricted abortions. There is a requirement of, a threat to the health of the mother.
Yep.
The problem is that the New York law does not define health. And we all know when there is no definition of health, it's anything goes.